If you like to travel light yet don't want to have any regrets on your trip that you didn't take enough clothes or you don't have enough outfits, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you how to put together a mini travel capsule that you can easily pack in a small hand luggage, less than 10 kilos, to make sure that you have more than 15 different outfits on your trip for various occasions. So keep watching. And before we start packing, I would like to remind you that I have created a detailed illustrated style guide for different figure shapes and different heights that you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video and answering two simple questions. What is your height and what is your body shape? This is a very straightforward, very handy tool with the key styling techniques, key silhouettes for your figure shape and your height. And also I have included basic outfit formulas for different figure shapes for different occasions. You can use it to go shopping or to sort out your existing wardrobe and create new outfits out of existing clothes. So please go to the link under this video, answer two simple questions and get the guide directly to your mailbox and use it to create your capsule wardrobe. I'm super excited because I'm going to Copenhagen tomorrow for my girlfriend's reunion. We haven't seen each other for 8 years. I'm going for 4 days, so I don't really need a lot of clothes. Yet, I really want to make sure that I have outfits to wear for different occasions. So my principle is to take minimum clothes with the highest rotation to make sure that I can create as many outfits as possible with a minimum amount of clothes in my suitcase. Et voila, this is my travel capsule. It's basically 9 pieces, out of which 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I'm gonna wear on a plane. So my suitcase is gonna be super light. So I've got 2 bottoms, only pants because I'm sure it's gonna be quite cold. I'm not gonna wear any skirts there. I've got my favorite mango straight pants, which I really can't get enough of. I'm sorry, I'm wearing them almost in every video, but they're super versatile. They go with everything. So I really love them. And I've got my tailored pants from Massimo dutti, which are wide leg. And these are my tops. I have actually got only 3. It's not many, but they're super versatile and you will see how many different outfits I'm gonna create with them. The first one is, of course, the basic white t-shirt. Then I've got my other long sleeve top. It's actually wool. And it's very light, so you can actually wear it and create a lot of layering outfits with it. It's from COS. And the last not least, I've got this party beautiful top from Paco Rabanne. It's nude, but it has this beautiful embellishment, so it looks really super nice and sexy with the most basic black pants. And because I'm a real jacket maniac, I'm taking 2 jackets for only 4 days. So the first one is a casual denim jacket. You've seen it a lot in my other videos. I really like to layer it with outerwear. And the second one is actually quite new. It's a pinstripe men's cut wool blazer. I'm going to wear it on the plane actually to make sure it's not wrinkled in my suitcase. You may think this crazy woman thinks she's gone forever, but I really want to feel different because it's really like a vacation. You want to feel your best. You really want to enjoy it. So I'm taking 2 different pieces of outerwear to make sure that I look different every day and I have enough clothes to wear. So the first one is this beautiful bomber from otherstories. It's super warm. Obviously it's oversized and you will see how many outfits I'm gonna create with it. And the second one is this beautiful wool coat in this beautiful cool red color from Mango. So I'm going to wear it on the plane to make sure I'm not going to wrinkle it and also not to take too much room in my suitcase. As for the bags, I'm taking 2 bags with me. One is really casual. It's my basic bag from Bottega. And this bag, it's a small tote. No matter it's like really structured and quite evening looking, it goes with pretty much everything and you can wear it both with flats and heels. As for shoes, I'm taking 2 pair of trainers. I'm really a big trainers fan. I prefer them more than boots or some other flats. I'm actually wearing on the plane my New Balance trainers and I'm taking my Adidas trainers with me as well because they're black first of all and they're flat and I really like how they go with wide leg pants, which I showed you previously in my video. And of course I'm taking my heels because just in case we decide to go out and take a cab, because obviously they're not made to walk in the snow or in the rain, but I really love to wear them when I take a car. These very shoes, I know that you've seen them in probably every single video I'm making, but they're so versatile. They really upgrade any outfit, any piece you're wearing. I have like a closet full of shoes, but I'm still taking those. Okay, it's time to look at the outfits I have created out of these 9 pieces. So let's get dressed. My first 3 outfits are built around one base: leather pants, white t-shirt and a pinstripe blazer. I can wear it as it is or pair it with my red coat to add a pop-up color. What I really appreciate a lot is that by changing nothing but shoes and a bag, I can dress this combo down by wearing trainers and cross-shoulder bag for the day, or dress it up by adding heels and a small tote for the night. Moving on to more casual base, I used the same leather trousers and a white t-shirt, but then swapped the blazer for a denim jacket to dress down my outfit and make it a bit more relaxed. As for outerwear, I can pair it with bomber. I really like this color combination here. Denim and khaki looks really colorful and fresh. And as an option, I can also wear it under the red coat. I know that a lot of women don't wear blazers and jackets under coats because they don't feel comfortable and it sits too tight. So as a style tip, always take one size up for any outerwear to make sure that there is actually enough room for layering and it doesn't sit tight and feels uncomfortable. And for more minimalistic yet warm look, I took this knitted long sleeve top, which is a very basic and versatile piece. You can wear it separately just with trousers because of this very delicate thin wool and details around the neckline and on the sleeves. It really looks quite chic and polished. And of course you can layer it with blazer or wear a bomber on top. And for the evening I paired it with denim jacket and heels, swapped the bag and I'm ready to go out. And moving on to another base, it's actually black tailored trousers, white t-shirt, the most versatile and stylish combo you can experiment with as much as you wish. So for my first look, I just kept it simple. Added layered jewelry, a belt and adidas trainers. And then I just made the same rotation again. Bomber jacket and a denim jacket. And another style tip I'd like to share with you. Pair wide leg trousers with thin soles and wear tighter fits with chunky shoes. This way you not only balance the silhouette but actually make your look more polished and pulled together. And going for a more elegant look, I paired the same base with a blazer and then wore a red coat on top. I can also swap trainers for pumps to dress it up a bit, so quite a few options here. As you see, because I changed the bottom for another silhouette, so I swapped tight fitted pants for wide leg trousers and thin sole trainers. The same tops and jackets look different with it. Likewise, the overall outfits. Changing the bottom silhouette allows you to change the style and the mood of your outfit without touching the top part of it. And the last pair of outfits are for going out if we decide to. So I'm keeping my tailored black trousers because they work perfect as a base, and then I'm wearing nude embellished top and metallic pumps to achieve more sleek and elegant look. As for outerwear options, I can wear a blazer with this leather scarf, which is actually not only very handy to accessorize any outerwear, but also very warm. And I can go for bomber jacket. I actually like to wear more relaxed casual jackets on top of my dressed up looks, just to dress it down a bit and make it more modern and fresh. And voila, that's it for today. I really hope that you liked this video and let me know in the comments which outfit you like the best, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye!